Boss my choice me muna me peda no like. Mommy, sir, Mr. Fanny say mommy wife. Fanny say hey, so hospital no pass on upon mommy so mo baby. Boss my choice boy me. Boy, o de fe trace me enchene like piano we throw mommy. Mommy. Hey, brother.
Mama akwa ba too much G80 so money aba mo so for na amba owusu a emi na edubra ye training issues me dey abesumo ewo efide so na enti debra neti emu ensem enti abeto justice ya HSA ye abayos me training a ebi musumo saye enyumtini ya Jackson Betum ne ba oba tese bakopa oda ne ma enti no tese ade yi no wakolapse ama wokoko mamukra ene esa na ebusuafo yeniti ebetuda bra video bi ayefi GH hyper the Instagram post like one better first and a man for shot say na dey na ekoto abayo dey na ye no eba ne say nsem bi sam dey do so pa na answer dey be ko mu no ye go hwe video yi emra sisia.
Boss my choice me muna me peda no like. Mommy, sir, Mr. Fanny say mommy wife. Fanny say hey, so hospital no pass on upon mommy so mo baby. Boss my choice boy me. Boy, o de fe trace me enchene like piano we throw mommy. Mommy. Hey, brother.
Na busuafo me kan say dwume ko so ya say my dey dwume dey Ebremo Mama Juliet Ventures. Ma Juliet atonto ya kitchen appliances and e mu no bedroom living room mu SCC ho enyema. Mama Juliet pe ma o ebo e da format say ehu asem bia enichi. Ebi mu no reach free for so so ya say wo mo bodan so madan edimu wo mo bodan so madan no eyefe wo mo bodan so e madan ni ra no de bo na baso say wa bo bra ninti se wo pa baso body e bi sa na wa fa wo mo number no e wa say wo wa fa mo pekope amomo ba wo dan so e de amount ebi mu no Winners Aluminium Limited for so ya say wo mo aluminium works and they slide doors yes slide windows any office sectors e wo chiche ma I don't know to say they abe for kwanso ne dia fa no aluminium works and dey sa nyama minti se wo pe bi sa na edimu e de ama wo dia na no bo modern efa Winners Aluminium Limited for number was say wo na frɛ wo mo no wo nyi odwuma e kwanso kokra enfa ema wo me guest and dey Miss Mercy Cow oba ma kwaba
je wo so mi aba
bia boko
ya me ado bibia ye fine
ede ibade ase na video ya betoja oba sinicheni sa ye nyintuni ya Jackson to say woda ka mu o kika bokra enyi o ye hwea enyi ya to say enkofo mo twa mecha we sun say babua minister say say me koso mo a enti ase be na wenya ewu
you mi ni aba mi da wase no question me na makonya yesu echia too much etie for ni ahwefo na say da mo je mrehwe na mi ni aba yi wo hwe se ni da wa eye mobo pa like on kekane ho unu ni opa akire but ye ref insan nyoma we ka nipa abrabo ho etimi to obi bia but age e beto won is like who as young as she is
say collapsing na work one say to obi collapse obi
yeah collapsing obi collapse ya ebi okra won sorry biem ni we no e ka nipa da se ni abrabo ho
okay
just that I bank perfume say na aya na eya homete eye wawa na this time man kasa weather ni mo no yare wo pa yare ube hu obi a wan kan eti a obeka se ne mfin ne mfi a wo fi enye fi na wo fi like yare no aba ube busa around you and I say when you obi a ube ni pa ube di adansi ese yare aba na we ye esuade a komo bibia say it doesn't matter how young you are say wo shelen so say wa pomuden no you find time and take care of yourself and jeja won say me ye young me ye strong bibia to me entimi yare aba ntu namwa uti na be ya we are funny serious
okay
na take medication and take yourself for granted and to when they ejeje say bibi and to me one I say just what as I would be ashamed to me.
Okay. Na
say to me e hwe wo yie.
Okay.
We come no or you busy. She's busy obi work on didi on time. All because obi wants up a flat tummy. All young lady see on my baby once omo MB say omo per night figure chest omo figure Ghana ha nia akopie mu ne say ukoye o figure e ma ukoechi say Ghana ha enye what you carry inside enye your potentials enye your capability nkoa na say see how shape so e de wo kwafa enti ababa we bia siso a or na dream cause that kind of or shaping a woman na benya that Coca-Cola shape and send your be attractive every day and I say the business better than because ube komu no na sa measures you been on no take say ube keeping the figure you say the figure you nice and so and take be on that
o de fancy o na so nkofo bi so kika say video ni mu ebi abayo ida say o that car ni mu an odi ni tie butu ho na ebiem so ni wi ida nchen baby obi anka motu ka bedu hospital se na ba ya ni wiki ni beda appointing ni di osu e di afrem wa e di o cha video nu nya net any hospital ko mo ko pie mu a tese ya to hospital nu nya cha video no bibi wa enka sa ye e fa be esa se bit my say like omo ka ko su say bit my fake bloggers do na I assume they maybe sa me mbodi crap no I think that 3 or 4 bloggers are o ma legit say bit my fake say ono anu ahye share won say o pese o fan trending on je had not say go for ntin e bit ma ban so bit ma sheda ayes ade no
say fake dia na entwe ye say no that one
anything na business say video no hu ye no dream hu say
media me hu ni say fake
video
me
no
hu ni say fake
nti obi yare ni e channel
okay me hu ni say serious thing but won say bloggers o ma badie issue be see omo person the video should come from the nipa ni here help kra no now o cha video because the way your lady ni acting lady ni kasa lady ni tete no fake kra nkan ye reals look real sa and your real situation be a cause ye ni aba no the baby on that say no here paibo
according to report no ba cho me jo according to report no ayet here no Mami one abayo ni tisi no ebra ono chese abayo ni collapse ya o de ni ko hospital no ofre blogger ni say omra na say na ato abayo no na obi yare a eye blogger e na bo anana e asibisa
yo won say incident be see that moment na to say be strategy say ade ya we say na ya na untimi dream ye untimi hu lady be an ebenya reaction be due to allergy that moment who baby on find it for why confused because na so rashi abofrani skin na than to say abua but what she needed to do is to pick up something to wear now then cause but then happen why then atuno ejeje like who baby odini tea father and nine father and safa so when bibi bonny say see aya na wo hu no witness no immediately no you can't be yourself you become confused. It is simple methodology esa wo fana simple way be esa wo timi handle ade no we betimi afi wo ma wa acting yo maybe a wo later na kasa no you can't believe yourself say one na wo acting say and to be say see e better than say the pan be thinking right because it was unexpectedly and I want say obiti wo me ne wo say say I will show I mean I may confused. It will take a while before I will think right. It may be at that moment no crash. She doesn't know what to do. So what came into her mind said, me fear obi mo because why are confused? Into obi mo be boa me mo my handle me and I say we should like a bit taking the right action. Nti bibi sa na me de me hu ni say esi
na ya fra o so sebra na okita phone ejina abayo yisu awucha mami yisu nya o si ohia mwakra ma yi abayo na sika ni kura ko uta to ejina o cha o
nipa da se yesu ban aba no Who cry no child.
So ono na e blogger no.
Enu na make no aside say no wasa koye blogger. Onye blogger kra obi accident see a. Nkrofo no mo they need help. And so yeah, concentrating on that need a chum videos because you say yeah man news. Yeah the information reaching other people. No yeah blogger. Yeah, I'll be taking advantage. Say I have to get something. I have to try. Me no let see how can say. Or only first person out this news about out. That's what he was doing. It's why a blogger need there. Near we no. Oh yeah. Or taking advantage and benefit. Or when I will say the part that's in it so.
Okay. Then to make me to see ya. Oh dear. Unjin tum say or sheda say wo fake e dey
so sheda so de ene na nya waye ni de yehu so sheda na nya waye ni de eyehu ni odi beba no de because ogwo ya de didi agro okay ubetimi aprank but we have so many ways enye ogwo enye ayem hihia de e na odi beji udin na ukoye na betu we won say bo anu cry di nchin di meko I did be what we hear or say we hear the agro. We are Judin, but I'm not. I am very free in Crawford the drum betty. In Crawford the drum back Cassam. Effect a benya also. Emma will rain fish and your man.
Okay, let me to see ya. So, yes, and your money there. Wow, fresh. So, I didn't say and two.
So, fresh. See, I would see you, Papa na be fresh. And I would go be I would didn't cry now no correct one so. In your maybe or you wouldn't have the heart to do. A sign no crepia wouldn't name fabra bonum. Unless we are your out of ignorance. As a brabonum tie a decline for a moment dear won't share role model papa like say nam die mu no di tu anam enu de life no ye beba oti mu bia na wo ye it say oba ne say eye atro so an edingie nti na me nua be yes adia na che say eye we should expect more dangerous things from her.
Yes, I'm sure you more dangerous.
So what you say na yes yes am born na atu na ye na ye ra we ho aye pray ne kwama na ye bompa ye say inyoma na me ho ton na na say kwan bi abeda no irade brem no ngi ne film na say ye atro dia na ye so say atro bebre ebeba because obi o twa atro dia want me jai twa because one lie leads to 1,000 which one no channel for beba. And that means she's dangerous.
I say me. Now wait there. Yeah, training and I say yeah, change say reports every few about say I'm passing what yari. Send no one ton, send no one ton. Need to wait the memo the final words at 2 job. Now send a can you bomb pay it. They say me man kwa yes and ye who video na enya se foforo. Na ye frame few until final words.
Yo. Minia ban ye bompa say radin enfo ne sanka say no kra ogie bia wonia radin enwu mobona onfa ogie embrel na fin so say atro dia na ni obi bia wo hwe me atro dia nye atro so de o de atro kan wa bra bon wa da wo pe hia mboa nkasa na eye ni bre so e no kra so no na obia so be fa ne say e atro ana ye prank ana ya go bi na wudi. Enti yen shake the way I acting in your maybe I fan and normal na you misbehaving.
Ebusia for we there. Say na me nya can me speak and date say you no correct say oba ya Jackson. No one ka ya re e kwan so amate say. E say be oda enye dia na ye bompa ye e dia so nya me say onye na dom. No man na wodi no ntimi sorry fi nim ya me pass. Na so say ni musa so dia e na Ghana ha. Yesu e ba so pa no pa. Ninti edi no na meka e dia chose betimi aflo ye e wo ye Instagram page at @gh_. Midi e na ama obuzo a mini eye menu aba oba Mexico ne ye tena se edi nkomo na me ya duma ye sign edi nchimu bi makram.